Hello, Clear Brow, North Dallas, 2026 Tesla Juniper Model Y, full matte paint protection film. This is an XPEL product referred to as Stealth. So it's a gloss white car, putting a transparent matte film over it to make it look like this. And here's the look of the paint. You can see the gloss there compared to how it changes it to a matte. So much like a painted matte car from like Beamer, Mercedes, Ferrari, you can now do that with a film that self-heals, no waxing, gives you the rock protection, and a whole bunch of other stuff that it does that they don't really talk about. But anyway, let's take a look around the car and show you how we install here at Clear Brow, North Dallas. We wrap edges, corners, all our installation sections are custom. We just don't print a kit and stick it where you would have edges showing, because on a wrap like this you would have gloss edges everywhere. So when we wrap this, we wrap it as if it's a factory paint job. The only place you're going to see gloss is underneath panels that aren't showing right now. So the T doesn't belong there per se. When the car's new, this owner went and purchased one, and there's his T right smack over the film, so there's no edges around it. There's the hood. The key to this is all the film was laid perfectly, no marks on it. When you lay this film, if you don't treat it right, and there's a lot of different things you can do wrong, you can have marks in it, and you can have debris in it and so forth. We don't have that problem. Every edge here is perfectly wrapped, all the corners, all the trim, everything, all the way down this bumper, tow hook wrapped in, the actual cap is wrapped behind. You won't see any gloss paint on this thing at all. Everything is beautiful. I mean, the film just looks fantastic. The cameras were taken out. These were done in carbon fiber. I did those. They look beautiful. Mirror all in one section, wrapped around the edge so we don't have a gloss edge. This A-pillar is done completely all the way back on this side, and on this side we remove this panel. It's just a few Torx screws. Here's the back side of your hood, well there. And we come to the door, all four sides, and inside the door handle is wrapped. I don't cut around this like I've seen, and this is also a carbon fiber handle that we added. And then here's the trim, everything's underneath. All the edges of the door are fully wrapped in. Zero gloss showing, 100% matte look, all down in these moldings, no sweat. Up inside all these cameras, everything fully wrapped, fully wrapped into the glass, the hatch. Everything's perfect. Beautiful install, no issues. Beautiful ceramic coating inside of the electrical port. Underneath all these, fully done. I mean, it's just, this is the way it should be. Everything's perfectly inside. Underneath all the moldings, no marks, all the way underneath the doors, in the doors. Here's the other camera, done in carbon fiber. And that's it. ClearBrowNorthDallas.com. I'm Brent. 2026 Juniper full wrap XPEL Stealth film. I'm Brent. You can contact me 214-414-3809, cell 940-703-8301 for any questions. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Follow us, like us, comment. Take care. ClearBrowNorthDallas.com.